Hey y'all, Meso here. Welcome to my kitchen today, where I am going to be showing you how to make something quick, easy, simple, and delicious. Isn't that the kind of recipe that you love? I do too. Let's get started. Let's go take a look at what we need to make this happen. Okay?
Yeah, look what I have, y'all. I've got this whole duck. I paid $20.87 for it. The duck is about $3.99 a pound, and it is a little bit over 5 pounds. I've got this duck. I need to clean him, and I put some vinegar in the water, and I am just going to wash him using my hand to help wash the inside and the outside of the duck. When I get all this done, I'm going to leave it to sit in this duck in this water for about 15 minutes. That is done, and now I'm just having some paper towels, and I'm just drying this guy off. I'm drying the skin under the wings, the back, everywhere. I'm just drying this bird off because it needs to be dry so that my skin can get nice and crispy. I've got this little sharp knife, and I am just using this knife to poke holes in the skin of the bird. Now, I don't so much want to poke holes in the flesh and the meat of the breast of this bird, but I just want to get the skin really poked. I'm using some island spice. This is a Jamaican all-purpose seasoning. I am using some onion powder. I'm using some garlic powder. And I'm going to get it into the cavity. I have some crushed rosemary. I'm making sure I get a lot of this seasoning into the cavity. I've got some sliced ginger. I want this thing to season from the inside out. I just put some salt on. And now I have some Hungarian sweet paprika. And I'm going to be rubbing all this in. These spices are going to really work together to make this bird, ooh, yummy. So I'm rubbing it all in and rubbing the inside too. Put it in my roasting pan and boom, it goes into the oven. I have a 325 degree preheated oven waiting for us, and I put it in. Now when it stays in there for 1 hour, I'm gonna get it out and I'm gonna bring it and show you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna release the grease. Okay, so what I'm gonna do again here, you see all this grease in the bottom of the pan that came out from the first hour of cooking. Now I've got the same knife and I'm just poking holes in it again. I'm gonna go all over the breast and the legs, and I'm just gonna poke holes in the skin. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. That's what you want to see. You see all that oil coming out of this beautiful bird? Oh, this is what you want to see. That skin won't ever get crispy like you want it. If you just let it bake, you just make a mess of it. You need to just poke these little holes in it and see that grease come running out. You'll see a lot of grease in the bottom of the pan. That's okay. Back into the oven now. So we're going to put it back in there after we release the grease, and we're going to let it bake for another 60 minutes or 1 hour. Okay, now we got it back out again after this hour. So you see how every time it's getting more and more crispy because we're making it release the grease, and it's getting more crispy, and it smells so good. Even though I haven't put any more seasoning on it, it smells great. Okay, so now back into the oven for the 4th and final hour. Put that in there. Now getting it out. This is it, honey. We're going to deliver something. Turn that baby over. Bloop. Yeah, we're going to deliver one of the best tasting birds you've ever tasted, just in flavor alone. You see all that oil down in the pan? So let me scoop this bad boy out of here and put it over on a plate. I'm going to save and preserve my oil by just using a strainer and straining it a couple of times. I'm putting it in a canning jar. This deep, rich fat would make a beautiful dressing. Just wonderful to go in your dressing. But it'll last in the refrigerator about 3 weeks in there. So I'm just going to go ahead and take the leg off of this bird. I'm going to get ready to plate it up. So look at that. Okay. Yeah, we're going to go ahead and get it on a plate and taste it. My favorite part. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Duck glistening, Got some turnip greens here. Got some mashed potatoes, some garlic mashed potatoes. And they're swimming in butter, honey. Just got a whole pool of butter in the middle. And I'm going to taste them right now. They're one of my favorites. They're so good. Guys, go into the description box. Click on the link. It'll take you straight to my website, and you can get a free printable recipe. That way you don't have to worry about remembering what you saw or writing it down. Go over there and print it out, honey. And the best part is it is free. Okay, so look at these turnip greens I'm trying to show you, honey, but they are really good. These are asparagus. Everything on here was good, I kid you not. But that duck was so flavorful. Those flavors in it was just deep in the duck, all the way down to the bone. Really, really, really good. So I'm working on these potatoes, honey. While y'all not looking, y'all go on and talk. Those potatoes are good. Look at this biscuit. Now, I made this biscuit. It's real nice. Look at the bottom of it. And I got butter on it. So that looks why it looks so shiny right now. Now let me come back and get this leg. Ooh, this is hot. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. Look at this. Ah, man. Ooh. Okay, yeah, this is so hot, y'all, but I'm gonna eat it anyway. What y'all think? Yes. Look at that skin, the crispy. Look at that skin, honey. It is crispy. Oh, yeah. Everything on this plate is delicious. Wonderful holiday plate. The only thing I'm missing is some dressing and gravy. And that good old cranberry sauce. Oh, man. It's just good. Ooh. I went all out on this one. At least it tastes that way. It tastes that way. This is a wonderful down-home meal. So, wrap them turnip greens back there around that fork. And you see that I've already cleaned the bone, and here I'm going to get another one. Yes, y'all. Yes. Hey, guys, I want to thank you all for coming by today to check on me. You wanted to see what I was doing, and you knew that I'd be throwing down, and I hope that I did not disappoint. Check me out on Instagram and TikTok and Facebook, and I appreciate all of you. If you have not hit that subscribe button, then go ahead and hit that red subscribe button, and then hit the notification bell until the parentheses come around the bell, and that way you'll be notified each and every time I put up a new video. Guys, I want to ask you to love yourself. That way you'll be better able to love somebody else. You know, an easy way to love yourself is by sharing your food and sharing these great recipes. That's what I come over here to do, is share these great, awesome recipes from my family's years of cooking. And I do that because I want to show you my love. Just do the same thing. Share your food, share your love, honey. That's the way to do it. I want to apologize for this raspiness and this hoarseness that I have. But I thank you guys for sitting through it with me. I want to thank you because there are tons of people on YouTube that you can watch. Most of them are great. And I appreciate that you chose me to spend a little time with. And I am so blessed, and I am so grateful. Thank you guys, and I'll see you next time when I put up another video. Bye-bye.